Hello, my name is Wayne Elias and I'm Director of Software Development at Still Waters Revival Books. In this video series I will present a collection of tutorials on the SWRB knowledge base, the companion search and research study software application for the SWRB Puritan hard drive. In this video tutorial we will take a look at the search interface screen and the many options it provides for locating and accessing any of the more than 12,500 resources on the Puritan hard drive. Let's initiate a new search and examine the search interface screen. From the top level menu, I will select New Search and then Start New Search. This action brings up the main search dialog window. This window provides you with a tabbed interface that will guide you through your search operations. One of the principal goals we sought to achieve in the design of the knowledge base application was to provide a flexible and easy-to-use interface, one that can accommodate a wide spectrum of user requirements and experience from the novice to the power user. Let's take a look at the various dialog boxes this interface provides. You can search by multiple fields or individually by author, category, title, description, and notes that you may have previously attached to the resource in the knowledge base. The fifth tab allows you to search for predefined SWRB work sets and multi-volume sets previously discussed. Here you can search for a keyword, usually an author's name, in the set title, or a keyword in the title of a resource that may be contained in one of the predefined sets. The sixth and final tab on the Search Knowledge Base interface allows you to search within the more than 1,500 PDF resources that have been rendered searchable through a process known as Optical Character Recognition, or OCR. Here you can enter a keyword or phrase, whereupon you are presented with a pick list containing possible multiple phrases that you can choose from and use for your search query. Now let's look more closely at the Search by Multiple Fields screen, where you will probably do most of your searching. In this screen you can either type in a part or an entire author's name, or click on the Select from Author List button to find any of the nearly 800 authors whose works are in the Puritan hard drive collection. The authors' names are arranged alphabetically and accessible through a Rolodex type interface. In the next text box, you can enter any of the distinctive keywords in a resource title, such as theology, prayer, church, history, and so forth. Using the Select from Category List button, you can display the nearly 80 categories we have used to classify the resources and select one of them for your search. Most of the resources have multiple categories associated with them, and many have more than a dozen categories. This is a good place from which to start your search when you want to find all the resources associated with a particular topic of interest. In the description text box, you can enter a keyword that may be found in the descriptions of the resource in the knowledge base. All PDF resources and a number of the audio and video resources have descriptions attached to them. Many of these descriptions are quite detailed. As a user, you may attach your own notes to each resource. These notes may be of any length and may be edited at any time. You can use the My Notes box to search for resources using text you've previously attached. If you want to limit your search to a particular type of media, you can use the Media Type drop-down box to select either PDF, MP3, audio, or WMV MP4 video. You can also restrict the search to PDFs of a particular type of pages, or a video or audio file of a particular duration. If you do not want to limit your search to a particular media type, leave the default Any Media Type selected. When any media type is selected, the pages and duration options are not relevant to the search and thus cannot be entered. When using the Search by Multiple Fields interface, you must keep one caveat always in mind. In order to match any particular resource, all of the search criteria must apply for that particular resource to appear in your search results. Therefore, it is highly recommended that you enter only search criteria that you have a reasonable expectation to apply. Since you can further refine your searches after the initial search results set is generated, there's no need to enter a lot of search criteria in your initial search operation. In the next video, we will explore in considerable depth the powerful search functionality of the SWRB knowledge base application. We will see how we can create an initial search results set with a multiple field search query, and then either extend those results with additional queries or constrain, that is, narrow and drill down into the results set to focus on the exact resources for which we are searching. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you next time.